This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Tech YouTube channel. Hope it was a profitable trading day, but chances that we make money during the intraday in this such a less volatile market, though the VIX has gone up, but it was difficult to make money today because of this low range formed in Bank Nifty and also a lot of news flow happening today. So let's understand what happened to the market today. But before that, we'll see a disclaimer also. So the views presented in this video is my personal opinion, and any loss incurred by taking trades based on my views, I will not responsible. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trades. So let's go to the charts and see what happened today. The entire day was the market was driven by Mr. Moody actually, but nothing can be done about that. Thing is that everybody's expectation is that the market they might come with some stimulus package and all. That's the reason that market was holding the entire day actually. If you see the charts here, if you just see the charts, Bank Nifty trading in a just 100 points range in the entire from 12 o'clock till 3 o'clock, almost 3.5 hours of market. Bank Nifty was trading in just a small range, which is very rare actually. Even the if you see the Bank Nifty, the range also, if you see Bank Nifty range formed is 374 points today. In the last several days, like almost like from 17 September, this is the lowest actually. Okay, last time was 314 points on 17 September, and today it's 374 points. So big blast day is expected to be at any time in the next 3 trading days. So one should be get ready for that. So let's go to the charts and see. So today nothing is there great actually, because VIX has gone up and any theta TK was getting compensated, and option writing also is not possible, option buying also is not possible because going market is very volatile today. But if you made any minor loss or no profit, no loss, it's good actually. Okay, you'll get another 1 or 2 days. Definitely one day will come in the next 3 days. One bearish day is expected actually. So we'll see that also today. And in case of Nifty, the same thing. Till almost like a 12:45, it was there staying around 11,934. But after that, we started coming down actually. Okay, but still the power of 2 has not given any sell signal. Once we go below around 881 and sustaining below that level, 200 MACD, then we'll get some sell signal here in the Nifty. And in case of Bank Nifty, also same thing. Once we go below 24,170, then only we're going to get sell signal in the power of 2. Now in the charts, coming to the mother candle, this is going to be very tough task for Nifty to break this actually. Now 2025 is the level, and this is not going to broken so easily, but the market is trying to maintain the momentum. Wait for the breakdown of this low actually. 11,661 big downfall is expected, but it will not be getting so easily. Last time also, after the big down move, 3 days we maintained on the upside. Now again we are waiting 3 days on upside. Whether the market will repeat tomorrow with a gap down, we have to wait and watch. Singapore Nifty is not showing any indication of such thing actually, but tomorrow looking like a very big down day actually. So one should be ready for that. Anything is possible. Okay, let us see the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty same thing, but we are above this high actually. Okay, we are closed above this high. This is a mother candle also, and this gap need to be filled actually. So we will come down possibly tomorrow or on Friday. As per Astro View also, we should test this at 23,600 levels. This gap will get filled in this week, most probably. High probability is there. So just wait for that. Wait for the gap down to happen, or slow process. In the slow process, we should get filled, because everybody now expecting that since there is no more stimulus and everybody will be bearish, and tomorrow at the open itself start shorting. But the thing is that PCR, if you see the Bank Nifty PCR, currently it is one above 1. Nifty and Bank Nifty both PCR is above 1. So that's why the chances that big gap down maybe not that tomorrow, but however it can be a slow process of going below the PCR going below 1. Okay, so that's the thing you have to take note. And coming to the other charts, let's see the Nifty 1 hour chart setup. So in case of 1 hour chart setup, now we are going to face a stiff resistance here, this high. Okay, let us see, just take note of this high. So this resistance is going to be there for Nifty tomorrow. So 11,900, okay, around 950. So this level we should not broke on tomorrow. Okay, otherwise the trend line is broken, and then we can go for further upside. And this gap will get filled, should get filled. 11,800 should get filled here. We'll wait for the tomorrow. Once we get filled, wait for this opportunity, go below this. This is a time. Possibly, I'm expecting that this low will get broken on the expiry day. Possibly, that time the option price is going to be very low, and that way we are going to get some big down move on the Friday. Maybe on the Friday we can get an Astro View, but because Astro View for Thursday is not so negative actually. Tomorrow is a negative day, so let's wait for that, but don't short now itself, because we are getting into the range and we are not allowing to get any short opportunity. We have to wait for the opportunity. As of now, we are not getting any this opportunity, and a good triangular formation also is made actually. If you see here, we are getting a good triangle formation, and this height of the triangle is almost like we can say 12,000 till 11,600 or 450 points. So if you break this any pattern, this pattern, if you break 350 points move on downside is solid. Okay, so this triangle pattern, just watch it, and it's going to be very good because it's a 2-hour chart. Will not get so easily developed. But tomorrow, if you break at the open itself, if you break this pattern, then 350 points is solid on the downside from the breakout. So now let us see the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty chart setup. What happened? Okay, let us see the Bank Nifty 1 hour chart setup. Okay, now in case of Bank Nifty chart setup, the high we are trading above this high 24,187. Unless we go below 24,000 levels, we should not be on the short side. We just wait for opportunity, because this gap will get filled, should get filled actually at any cost. It's being maintained, market is being maintained. So possibly we should see for the opportunity to break below this level, 24,000 level. Then psychologically we can test 23,620 levels without in no time. After that, this gap also is there to be pending to be visited actually 21,500 levels, which we should have, which can happen maybe like possibly next week possibly, but we don't know, not sure when we can just, but 21,500 is to be tested at any cost, because currently the media and analysts, everybody is trying to manage and protect the levels, and the situation is not so good around the economy actually. Let us see the cloud setup. Ichimoku cloud setup is clearly is a buy signal, no doubt about that, but a confirmed sell signal will come only below this. But as of now, we need to look for any opportunities intraday to do some option selling. That's the only thing. Position shorts like Mars or something like that is not there in place. That is the thing here, unless we break below this mother candle. That's what we seen before also. And in case of Bank Nifty also same thing. Unless we go below the Ichimoku cloud, then only get a position short. Okay, you can get some shorting opportunity, shorting call options, but position short you should be allowed only below the cloud. Okay, so that way you should take note. We'll also see the this volume profile also we'll see. Okay, I want to show you the volume profile also. If you see volume profile for Nifty hourly chart, above this, if you see here 12,015, there is no candle formed at all. Means there is no buyers at all. Nobody is ready to buy above these two levels. So we're going to have a very good resistance here. Possibly that if somebody is going for short, this should be stop loss. Anybody having shorts in Nifty, consider this as stop loss, and they can look for shorting opportunity. But thing is that if you are holding a put option, bought put option, it will test you so that the time decay will kill the option premium. So it is not desirable to buy put option. Instead, you can go for the bear call spread. That's the best way you can try. And in case, because if you see here, this is FLD. FLD is giving clearly giving the resistance for Nifty. Coming to the Bank Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty is little different actually. It's become very strong now actually. But here also, if you see 24,455, 24,500, above this there is no buyers at all. And the point of control is around 22,377. So we are going to visit this level 22,377 if we are not going to sustain this level. If you don't break on the above and start moving, keep moving, we are going to test this level. Point of control is the level what we need to test. So we went below the point of control and now went above the point of control. Now we will visit this and go below also. Okay, so just 22,300 is what we are just wait for the opportunity will come here for sure. There's a point of control indicating. The more time you spend above this, then the position, these bars will start getting built up, and then we will keep sustaining this level only. The bars should not get built up here. Okay, the positions will get built up. So in case the Nifty also will see what is the level. These are futures level. The point of control is now at 11,536. Okay, so a good opportunity. If we, for example, if you see this bar, okay, this is, if this bar is higher than this bar has become higher than this bar, then we'll get stopped out here. Then we'll not to go to this point of control level. Till the time we are above this bar is higher, then we'll visit 11,520 levels also. Okay, so we'll just go 300 points below and 300 points above the point of control, and this way how the volume profile is indicating the probability of us. Okay, let's go to the next chart setup. The Bollinger Band setup. There we are clearly indicating that 11,550 again is the level. Definitely will get visited this level. Okay, so wait for the opportunity. Shorting calls is the best opportunity that you can get. And in case of Bank Nifty, Bollinger Band, clearly it is an uptrend. At least a green bar, red bar should form, and a close below previous day close is essential for any downward to come. This gap will get filled, should get filled. Just wait for the opportunity. And 24,000 call is what, 24,500 call is what you have to keep a target. And in case of third setup, we'll see the Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi green bars are there. There is no opportunity here in this Heikin Ashi setup. And in case of Bank Nifty, also green bar is there. So these are the indication of position shots. I'm telling about position because it's a daily chart. The daily chart setup, you will not get so easily reversals or buy sell setup. Once we get set up, we'll there for almost 4-5 days also. Okay, so but if you're going for short, wait for the opportunities here also. Confirm signal, they'll get a good move actually on the downside. Now it is all this intraday trades only is possible nowadays, and even if you don't take the right trade on the day before the close opening trades, you will not get opportunity the next day. That's what is the situation now. Okay, now Bank Nifty. Okay, let's see the 4 chart setup. 5-day high EMA, low EMA. Here we are in the consolidation zone. We are not crossed above the. Today we tried to go above the 5-day high EMA, but could not close above this. It failed. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty now is doing the reverse. Now we are getting supported 5-day high EMA. Now all these days Nifty was strong. Now Bank Nifty is becoming strong. So in case of market profile, let's see the Reliance also. Reliance is giving a very interesting signal. Reliance, if you see here already, it's very clearly the downward seen actually. Okay, it is a daily. Let us see daily chart. In daily chart, very clearly it is visible that there is lack of buyers around 2370 levels. Now 2370 is now become the resistance. Now, if we don't sustain this level, once we cross below this 2080. This level in the futures. Okay, if you see FLT also is indicating the support is at 2080, 2100 levels. Once we break this 2100 levels, then clear solid move up to 1500 is possible also, because there is no support at all here. Here there is no volume profile, is not giving any support, and FLT also will give some clear resistance actually after that. And the future also, if you see here in the future FLT also, there is a clear resistance there. Okay, now. So 2100 is the level in Bank Nifty. Is a Reliance you should take note. And let us charts we completed. Let us see the key data. In the key data, FIs are not giving up actually. Slightly they are cut down their long positions, but they are not giving up on the index futures long positions. But however, if you see the stock futures, they cut down the stock futures by almost like 6,000, 7,000 contracts. If you see here the lowest 137,000 contracts, you cannot see 137,000 contracts in the past several times. If you see here in the past several days, 137,000 contracts was never actually. Okay, in the past several days, starting from let us see from March, April, January. Okay, never they have been so much low actually stock futures. Very clear indication that FIs are clearly bearish. It is a hidden indicator that the FIs are clearly bearish and ready for down move. Once that short selling is approved, okay, short selling is ban is removed by SEBI, then they'll go for a big on the downside. Okay, just the wait for the opportunity. The big down move is expected because FIs does not hold or hold a long position, short position, or a low position like this for a few days. Okay, it's for a long time. Now the non-dependence of confidence, there's no lack of confidence for stock futures in the FIs clearly indicates that they are not expecting any big up move on the upside actually. Let us see the client position also. Client position, they're continuously bearish and having some short positions and held some short puts also. Same time they're bearish, at the same time they hedge the position also. Let us see there what's happening for the day. And then coming to open interest, tomorrow for the highest open interest 24 lakh 500, 24,500 call option is there. So 24,500 is a clear resistance for now for time being, and 23,500, 24,000 is the next support actually. So the now currently market is tied up between 24,000, 24,500. Now in case any up move, this 24,500 call writers should get threatened, and similarly 24,000 put writers to be threatened on the downside. And in case of Nifty, 12,000 call is the highest open interest after 12,500, and then 11,800 put is the highest open interest for the Nifty. So once we break this to 12,000, 11,800, then only we can see some good moves on either side. So this open interest is here to very, very clearly watch. And also the PCR should come below 1, then only the down move can accelerate. Let's go to the Lakshman Rekha. Lakshman Rekha, still we are in the buy mode only. There is no doubt about that. Entire month we've been not getting great returns as such normally, but still we are in the bullish mode, and just 50 points away. Midpoint, if you break 50 points in Nifty, then we are in the sell mode. And in case of Bank Nifty, 750 points is a signal. Below 750 points, then we should go for the bearish setup in the weekly setup. This holds valid till Friday. And levels for tomorrow is a sharp breakout 24,146 on downside and 24,558. So the range is also very narrow. So tomorrow I think look for opportunity for buying options possibly, because in Bank Nifty any breakout can give very good movement on the edges side. So 24,000 put and 24,500 call. This is what you have to be focusing tomorrow. And in case of Nifty, 11,800 put and 11,950 call. Okay, these two things you should be focusing for tomorrow in case of Nifty. Coming to the day-wise rates also, midpoint, if you see, I mentioned earlier also, the lowest range found today in Bank Nifty. And Nifty, however, it is better actually. We made more than 100 points range today. But in case of midpoint also, you can see here, the range is broken. Swing, we got a high, 24,273. And in case of Bank Nifty, a higher high we made actually. Now in case of Nifty, we could not break this above. Now the Nifty will take the lead on the downside. If Nifty takes lead on downside, then the Bank Nifty can also follow through. So seeing the PCR trend also, if you see, now we went above this 1 for Nifty, and also for Bank Nifty, we are above 1. The trend is very clear. Volatility. So tomorrow's range for volatility will be around 25,000 is what is showing, but we don't think, because clear resistance at 24,500 and maximum low is 23,782. So 24,100 need to break that for purpose. And in case of Nifty, 12,100 and 11,700, but this range already we have narrowed now. So 12,000, 11,800 put is what we have to track. The P ratios keep on going on the higher side, 34.51. It is not a desirable scenario. Today also Bank Nifty option pain moved to 24,100 or stay for some time and then back to 24,000 levels. That is clearly indicating that pressure is on the downside. Okay, so this is what I want to tell today. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like the channel, so that I can come with interesting videos now and then. Thank you.